Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to terminate active sessions on Telegram step by step. This feature allows you to sign out of Telegram on other devices, helping to keep your account secure. So let's get started. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your computer. Next, click the menu icon in the top left corner of the window. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings page, click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you find the Active Sessions section. Click on Show All Sessions or Devices, depending on your version of Telegram. A new page will open showing all devices where your Telegram account is currently signed in. You'll see information such as the device type, operating system, location, and the last active time for each session. If you want to sign out from a specific device, click on that session. Then click Terminate Session. Telegram will ask you to confirm your choice. Click Terminate to remove that device from your account. If you want to sign out from all devices except the one you are currently using, click Terminate All Other Sessions. Confirm your selection when prompted. Telegram will immediately sign your account out from all the selected devices. You can review the list again to make sure only your current device remains signed in. It's a good idea to regularly check your active sessions and remove any devices you no longer use or don't recognize. And that's it. You've successfully terminated active sessions on Telegram. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Telegram tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.